Find LCM of the following by division method. First set of numbers 3 and 9. Divide the given numbers by the smallest prime number possible, which divides at least two given numbers. There are two numbers here, and 3 divides 3 and 9, and 3 is a prime number. So write 3 here. 3 when divided by 3, we get 1 as quotient. 9 when divided by 3, we get 3 as quotient. The numbers left are 1 and 3. They do not have a common prime factor. So stop the process here. So LCM of 3 and 9 is equal to 3 into 3, 9. Next set of numbers 40, 70. Write 40 and 70 here. Divide them with the smallest prime number possible, which divides both the numbers. So 2 divides 40 and 70. So write 2 here. 40 when divided by 2, we get 20 as quotient. 70 when divided by 2, we get 35 as quotient. Now the numbers are 20 and 35. They have a common prime factor 5, which divides both the numbers. So write 5 here. 20 when divided by 5, we get 4 as quotient. 35 when divided by 5, we get 7 as quotient. Now the numbers left are 4 and 7. They do not have a common prime factor. So stop the process here. So LCM of 40 and 70 is equal to 2 into 5 into 4 into 7, which is equal to 280. Next set of numbers 4, 8, 16. Write all the numbers here. Divide them with the smallest prime number possible, which divides at least two of the given numbers. 2 divides all the 3 numbers. So write 2 here. 4 when divided by 2, we get 2 as quotient. 8 when divided by 2, we get 4 as quotient. 16 when divided by 2, we get 8 as quotient. The numbers are 2, 4 and 8, and all the 3 numbers are divisible by 2. So continue the process. Write 2 here. 2 when divided by 2, we get 1 as quotient. 4 when divided by 2, we get 2 as quotient. 8 when divided by 2, we get 4 as quotient. Now the numbers are 1, 2 and 4. 2 and 4 have a common prime factor 2, which divides 2 and 4. So write 2 here. For 1, write 1 here. 2 when divided by 2, we get 1 as quotient. 4 when divided by 2, we get 2 as quotient. Now the numbers are 1, 1 and 2. They do not have a common prime factor. So stop the process here. LCM of 4, 8 and 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 16. Next set of numbers 25, 30, 50, 110. Write all the numbers here. Divide them with the smallest prime number possible, which divides at least two of the given numbers. 2 divides 30, 50 and 110. So write 2 here. 25 is not divisible by 2. So write 25 here. 30 when divided by 2, we get 15 as quotient. 50 when divided by 2, we get 25 as quotient. 110 when divided by 2, we get 55 as quotient. Now the numbers are 25, 15, 25, 55. All the 4 are divisible by 5. So write 5 here. 25 when divided by 5, we get 5 as quotient. 15 when divided by 5, we get 3 as quotient. 25 when divided by 5, we get 5 as quotient. 55 when divided by 5, we get 11 as quotient. Now the numbers are 5, 3, 5 and 11. All the 4 do not have a common prime factor, but 5 and 5 have common prime factor 5. So write 5 here. 5 when divided by 5, we get 1 as quotient. 3 is not divisible by 5. So write 3 here. 5 when divided by 5, we get 1 as quotient. 11 is not divisible by 5. Write 11 here. Now the numbers left are 1, 3, 1, 11. All the four do not have a common prime factor, so stop the process here. So LCM of 25, 30, 50 and 110 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 11, which is equal to 1650.